Hey guys, it's Prestocuber, and today's video is an 8-minute 41.37 second solve on a 5x5 one-handed. This solve was hard. First off, the pieces are smaller than the regular 3x3, so I wasn't used to it, and my fingers would grab onto other layers, and that was really annoying. Second, the cube is pretty big for a cube to use for one-handed, and since it's so big, you can see me putting it on the desk for support. Yeah, this video left my hands sore. I am using the Shengshao 5x5, it has very smooth turning. Really, the only other decent 5x5 is the VCube 5, and they're really expensive and don't really turn well out of the box or even after modding. I love 5x5 though. I usually solve it when I'm not really feeling 4x4 that day, and I want a bit more challenge, but I don't want to take the time to solve the 6x6, which after months of having its pieces laying on my desk, I finally got back together. It took me several hours to put it back together. Anyway, this solve took me about 8 minutes, so I sped up the video so you guys wouldn't have to bear through 8 minutes of solve. But today, I just wanted to briefly talk to new cubers who are at about 40 to 50 seconds. A lot of the time when I see a cuber who's at that time and they're about to get their first Speedcube, they tell me that they're going to get a Zhanchi or a Weilong or something like that, and I just tell them that if you get a Zhanchi or a Weilong, which I, an 18 to 20 second solver, still sometimes has trouble controlling, it's going to be too uncontrollable as soon as you start turning really fast. Also, with all the extreme corner cutting, you aren't going to learn accuracy, and when you get to bigger cubes that can't corner cut as much, like 4x4s and up, it'll lock up and pop more than you would if you had learned accuracy. I think the best option for a first Speedcube would be a Shengshao Aurora, or maybe a Guhong version 2 even. Anyway, thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a like or subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Bye! Yes.